going to color an elephant. Let's get started. Okay, and I'm going to color in feet just a little bit darker, still with the same crayon, just really pressing down and giving it a darker effect like that all along his feet to really just press it in there, and then you give it a little bit darker of a color and it makes the feet pop out so you can tell the difference between the bottom of his feet and his actual body. And then for the tail, I'm going to give him a pop of color using a pink marker, just for fun. Thank you for coloring with me. I hope you enjoyed. I hope to see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye, friends.